How to remix Reels on Instagram. Remix Reels on Instagram is similar to TikTok's duet feature, allowing users to create their own videos using others' videos posted in the Reels section. Let's learn how to create Remix Reels together. First, open Instagram and go to the Reels tab and choose any video you want to remix. Tap on the 3 vertical dots at the bottom right and tap Remix. Please note that you will only see the remix option on a user's video if they have enabled the remix feature. Next, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to record your video, with the original or after the original. I'll choose the first option, and here you have the option to upload a clip from your gallery or record a video. You can also adjust the start of the audio playback, add effects to a video, ask your audience a question, set the playback speed of the original video while recording, set a timer, and adjust the video position. Let's record our video. Once you start doing this, the original video will begin playing. And after recording, press next. Here we can fine-tune our remix more precisely. Let's go through the main settings. Click on the music icon and here we see several settings at the top. Controls is responsible for setting the volume of the original and your video. And Enhance is the sound enhancer for your video. Here you can record your voice over the video, and here is saved music. To save it, click on it. Next, you can add sound effects. Choose the music and select the moment of playback, then tap Done. You can also add text, stickers, drawings, and video effects. Tap Next, select the desired settings, and tap Share. Done, we have remixed Reel video. Thank you for watching, please leave your likes, comments, and share with this video. See you in the next video.